How to get wifed up. Today we're doing the #1 requested pozole recipe. 8 pounds pierna de puerco. 3 pounds espinazo. Full video with all the details available on YouTube. Soak for 1 hour in cold water to pull out any excess blood. Now in fresh water, add an onion, a whole head of garlic, and 2 bay leaves. Start the cooking process. 15 chile guajillos, 15 chile californias are going to get de-seeded, deveined, covered in hot water with our handy dandy tapadera for 30 minutes. Now add them to your blender with oregano, 4 dientes de ajo, and chicken bouillon, a little bit of caldito, blend, add to your pozole. Now wash 2 cans of white hominy, add them to your pozole. Thank you guys so much for 500,000 followers. You guys are awesome. Finish it off by seasoning it with some salt and chicken bouillon to taste. After 3 hours, you're done. Cooking is so easy. Don't let anybody tell you that it's not. Thank you for learning with me. Top it off with whatever you want and enjoy.